everyone. So I wanted to discuss a few problems in your Chapter 9 directed reading. So the first problem I wanted to talk about is QC97, which is in your textbook. In this problem, at December 31st, year end, Crane Company has a $8,400 note receivable from a customer. Interest of 10% has accrued for 10 months on the note. What will Crane's financial statements report for this situation at December 31st? So for this problem, what you need to do is calculate the interest receivable. I'll take the 8,400, the principal, multiply by the interest rate of 10%, and then multiply that by 10 over 12. 12 because you have 12 months in a year. Interest is usually calculated yearly. So if I multiply all of that, that should give me a product of $700. Therefore, my answer is B. The balance sheet will report the note receivable of 8,400 and an interest receivable of $700. The next problem I wanted to cover is QC99, which is also in your textbook. This is a problem covering the acid test ratio. At year end, Schultz Company has cash of $11,600, current accounts receivable of $48,900, merchandise inventory of $37,900, and prepaid expenses totaling $5,100. Liabilities of $55,900 must be paid next year. What is Schultz's acid test ratio? For this problem, first I need to take the $11,600, which is the cash amount, add that to the current accounts receivable of $48,900. I'll take that sum divided by the total liabilities of $55,900. That gives me a acid test ratio of 1.08. Therefore, my answer for QC99 is answer A, as you see here. On to QC94. Brickman Company uses the allowance method to account for uncollectible receivables. At the beginning of the year, allowance for bad debts has a credit balance of $1,000. During the year, Brickman wrote off uncollectible receivables of $2,100. Brickman recorded bad debts expense of $2,700. What is Brickman's year-end balance in allowance for bad debts? To find the year-end allowance of bad debts, I first need to take the current credit balance of $1,000, subtract that by the amount of $2,100, which is the wrote off uncollectible receivables. Then I will add the bad debt expense of $2,700. The addition and subtraction of these numbers gives me a result of $1,600. Therefore, Brickman's year-end balance in allowance for bad debts is $1,600 for choice A. Okay, so I want everyone to look over these problems. Thanks you for watching, and let me know if you have any comments and concerns, and I'll see you all in class.